Get ready to soar with our guide to the best drones for 2025. Whether you're capturing cinematic aerial footage or exploring new heights as a hobbyist, we've rounded up the top drones that combine cutting-edge tech, epic camera quality, and seamless flight performance. From compact foldable models to pro-grade powerhouses, these drones are redefining aerial creativity this year. Join us as we dive into their features, flight tests, and why they're the best in 2025. Love this video? Smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more drone and tech reviews. Number 5. The DJI Flip is a game-changer in the world of handheld gimbals, providing users with a seamless way to capture stunning, stabilized footage. After extensive testing, it's clear that the DJI Flip stands out as an exceptional tool for content creators, vloggers, and anyone looking to elevate their videography skills. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Flip is its intuitive design, allowing users to easily switch between landscape and portrait modes. This flexibility is crucial for social media enthusiasts who want to create eye-catching vertical videos without sacrificing quality. The gimbal's lightweight build makes it incredibly portable, ensuring that you can take it anywhere without feeling weighed down. When it comes to performance, the DJI Flip excels in delivering smooth, shake-free footage, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're walking, running, or even biking, this gimbal keeps your shots steady, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. The battery life is also commendable, offering several hours of use on a single charge, which is perfect for those long shooting sessions. Additionally, the DJI Flip features advanced stabilization algorithms and customizable settings, giving users the ability to fine-tune their shooting experience. The companion app enhances functionality, allowing for easy access to various modes and settings, ensuring that you capture exactly what you envision. The DJI Flip is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about videography or content creation. With its innovative design, outstanding stabilization capabilities, and user-friendly features, it's no wonder that this gimbal. Number 4. The Potensic Atom 2 is a remarkable drone that offers an impressive combination of features, performance, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. After thoroughly testing this model in various environments, it's clear that Potensic has crafted a well-rounded aerial device that excels in several key areas. One of the standout features of the Atom 2 is its high-quality 4K camera, which captures stunning aerial footage with vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. The ability to shoot 4K video and take 12-megapixel photos allows users to document their adventures with professional-level quality. Additionally, the integrated gimbal stabilizer ensures that your shots remain steady, even in windy conditions, providing smooth and cinematic results. The Atom 2 is designed for ease of use, boasting a user-friendly interface that makes flying a breeze. With intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Gesture Control, users can easily execute complex maneuvers without needing extensive flying experience. The drone's responsive controls and stable flight performance further contribute to an enjoyable flying experience. Whether you are capturing breathtaking landscapes or simply exploring the skies, battery life is another significant advantage of the Atom 2. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes per charge, you can enjoy extended flying sessions without the constant need to recharge. Additionally, the drone comes equipped with a quick-release battery design, allowing for easy and efficient battery swaps. Number 3. The DJI Air 3 has quickly established itself as a standout in the consumer drone market, and for good reason. After extensive testing and flying in various conditions, this drone truly impresses with its combination of advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and user-friendly design. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Air 3 is its dual-camera system, which includes a 1.3-inch wide camera and a 2.3-inch telephoto camera. This setup allows for stunning 48MP still shots and 4K video at 60 FPS, capturing vibrant colors and fine details whether you're shooting landscapes or close-ups of wildlife. The image stabilization is top-notch, ensuring smooth footage even in windy conditions. The drone's flight performance is equally remarkable. With a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes, you can capture more without the anxiety of constantly watching your battery life. The Air 3 also boasts a range of intelligent flying modes, including focus track and master shots, making it easier than ever to capture cinematic shots. With minimal effort, user experience is enhanced by the intuitive DJI Fly app, which provides an easily navigable interface, live flight statistics, and access to editing tools. The drone's compact design makes it portable, yet it feels sturdy, which is a big plus for outdoor enthusiasts. Safety features are also impressive, with obstacle avoidance sensors that enhance your flying confidence, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot. Number 2. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a remarkable advancement in the world of drones. And after extensive testing, it's clear that this drone stands out in both performance and versatility. With an impressive 3-camera system that includes a 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers stunning image quality, capturing vibrant colors and intricate details even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or up-close wildlife, the clarity and richness of the footage are simply exceptional. One of the most notable features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its extended flight time, boasting up to 43 minutes on a single charge. This means you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about battery life, allowing for more creative exploration. The drone's advanced obstacle avoidance system provides a sense of security while flying, making it easier for both beginners and experienced pilots to navigate tricky environments. In terms of usability, the Mavic 3 Pro shines with its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with the DJI Fly app. Whether you're planning your shots or accessing intelligent flight modes like focus track and master shots, the app enhances the overall experience. The new features like 5.1K video recording and improved transmission technology ensure that your aerial footage is not only high quality, but also easy to manage. While the price point may be higher than some competitors, the Mavic 3 Pro offers an unparalleled balance of features, build quality, and performance that justifies the investment. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the already impressive Mini series to new heights, delivering an exceptional flying experience packed with advanced features and capabilities. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that this drone is a game-changer for both amateurs and seasoned pilots alike. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its incredible camera system. With a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 48MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every shot is sharp and vibrant. The low-light performance is remarkable, allowing users to shoot in a variety of conditions without sacrificing quality. The inclusion of advanced HDR capabilities further enhances the dynamic range, making landscapes and subjects pop with detail. The drone's flight capabilities are equally impressive. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you can explore more without constantly worrying about battery life. The O4 transmission system provides a robust and reliable connection, with a range of up to 12 kilometers, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage from a distance. The Mini 4 Pro also boasts intelligent flight modes, including focus track and master shots, which make it easier than ever to create cinematic footage with minimal effort. Safety features have not been overlooked. With obstacle sensing in all directions, the Mini 4 Pro enhances pilot confidence, allowing for more adventurous flights. The drone is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry on trips, which is a significant plus for outdoor enthusiasts.